Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Richie from Boston. It's the 5th of June. It's 2018, and here we go again. One of my videos has been removed, and it was the Supreme Court sides with straight people. So apparently, simply stating the news in a 2-minute video is far too upsetting for the YouTube community. So here we go. Here we go. And this is why I'm uploading this on my backup channel. The website is done. So much work went into this thing. It's incredible. So I'm going to plan on launching it tomorrow, maybe the day after, maybe sooner. I'm not sure. I'm still talking to the designer because we're trying to figure out a method to keep out trolls. This is just where it's going. Flagged for removal simply because I discussed the news. Didn't say anything wrong, just said that it was probably something to get the pot stirred up once more again. But I digress. Check it. One of my subscribers, conspira.org, sent me this link, and it's funny because this is the Senate Bill 606 and Assembly Bill 1668. And this is in 2025. They're already proposing to shut California residents down to 55 gallons per day daily inside your house. Now, they've already done this outside. You're not allowed to water your garden. Some people actually hot topped their gardens and painted them green, so forth and so on. But here they go. This is the agenda. And there's the lucky number 2020, 2030. These people are going to shut it down. There's something in California that they want, so they're slowly forcing the regular people out. And they do it with things like, well, I don't know, this. You see what I'm saying? There's a reason. There's an absolute reason. Why would they shut? Imagine this, you own a house in the freest country in the world, and then suddenly they decide that you're not allowed to use water in your own house. Now, make no mistake, they're controlling the weather. They can control the weather. They can control the weather. They have weaponry. The video I'm showing you right now is by ODD TV. California Gets Cooked, created fires created by microwave directed energy weapons. You think it's funny? You think it's not real? Well, how much more information do you possibly need? Here's directed energy weapons being shown ad nauseum by the military, by the Navy, by the Air Force, by the Army on the History Channel. This stuff exists. The fact that people don't understand that our own government has been infiltrated a long time ago when they blew Kennedy's head off. This is what they're doing. This is the new political machine. This is how they move people out of areas that they don't want them in anymore. You own a house here, you've been paying, you've been doing your job, you've been paying your taxes, you've been doing everything right, and they suddenly tell us that you're not allowed to use more than 55 gallons of water a day in a house. Do you know how many toilet flushes that is? Do you know how many showers that is? Yeah, you're talking mobile home status. And the funniest thing is, they can make rain. They've been doing it for time immemorial. It's no big deal. But they can also stop rain. At any rate, Richie from Boston, it's getting ugly, and I'm out.